Alright guys, you win. Okay, so this song was requested so many times, so here we are. We are talking about Money Keys Sizinantole. So alright, let's get to it without wasting any time. First, let's adjust that. There we go. Hold on. Am I in the right? Okay, no, that's good. Alright. I don't know why that says Tuesday. But anyway, let's get to the song. Malonie Keys, KYZ. Ooh, that's too loud. Why is it so loud? My volume is so low. Alright, let's get to it. Timberlands. What shall you do now? Yo, okay. The video, man, like the video, before we get to the song, the video looks so clean. The picture quality is just amazing. So big up to the videographers. You guys know what you're doing.
I want to be with you tonight. And tonight, oh yeah, tonight I feel sleep by your side.
Yeah, the quality of this, man, the quality of the music, the quality of the video is amazing. I see why you guys have been requesting this for.
Somebody get me an officer. So weka kuchita haka utakupezeka zote fupa kule asana vile wamvandiwe Sizinantole she don't give my heart away Sizinantole polisi kupeza kwanu ko Sizinantole she don't give my heart away Sizinantole Sizinantole dole undikolole dole ine undiduke duke kena koyiwe usowe sowe never seen nobody with a body like so the way you move ukabeleza so I like the way that you move wandibela attention inanga
I'm trying so hard to understand some of the words, but it's just blank. What is it? Is it because it's Saturday? Is it because I am? I can.
Somebody gets me an officer. Kifuka someka kupanga. Utakupezeka zote fupa kule. Sizinantole. She don't give my heart away. Sizinantole. Polisi kupeza kwanu ko Sizinantole.
It's like there's a part where he's saying somebody call an officer and put what do you call it? Handcuffs? Am I right? Like, am I hearing this properly? Anyway. Yo, this is a beautiful video. Unique places as well. I don't think I've seen this places in many other videos. I could be wrong. He was just dreaming. It was too perfect. I was like, this is too perfect. It was just a dream or hallucination. Wow, that's okay. Zikomo Gwambiri for suggesting that song. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads of this channel. Now I see why you guys have been suggesting this song. It's beautiful. It has a nice twist in the end. You all know that I love twists. I don't know if that's a good thing, but yeah, beautiful stuff, man. Thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys on the other side.